Hello guys. It has been a getting my life together type of week. Let's sit down for a second. So if you guys don't know, I just moved into my first house alone, which has been an experience, but I feel like it's a lot more over my head than I thought it would be. I'm still living out of boxes, as you can imagine. It adds to the stress of your life. Like when there's so much clutter and build up in your head and your to-do list builds up and you're seeing boxes around your space and living out of boxes, it doesn't help. I feel like as soon as the sun goes down, I lose all motivation and then the pileup of my life starts happening. For some reason, I associate the sun going down with time to wind down when it's literally only 4 p.m. when the sun goes down. I need to also get some adult things done today that I've been putting off. I know that I will feel so good about myself once I get all these things done. Unboxing packages, catching up on laundry, deep cleaning my house for the first time, finishing putting away things from the move. I have therapy today. I also just have adulting things I need to do that I've been putting off. So I'm gonna give you guys a getting my life back together vlog. I know this is gonna improve my mood and hopefully that will help your moods. So let's get shit done. Hello?
Just checking to see how the promo is going for the new single.
Yeah, it's going good.
Hey Nick, just a reminder that your branded content is due today.
Just a reminder, we filmed the podcast at 12 today. Haley?
Nikki, hurry up. We gotta go to the airport. We're gonna be late.
Okay, so first things first, I have some things I need to order on Instacart so that way they come throughout the day while I'm being productive because your girl needs to eat. So I'm going to place an Instacart order and get some food on its way that isn't DoorDash, that isn't Postmates. I need to get back on my like eating clean, eating at regular times, having shit in my fridge phase. All right, I haven't made my bed yet, but I have a therapy session and my favorite place to do my therapy sessions is from this bedroom, so hello.
Hey, how you doing?
I have my hair and makeup done because I have to film a video, but it has been a very shitty week.
All right, well, I'll try not to make you cry.
Therapy just ended. Guys, therapy, if you have a good therapist, it changes everything. I feel like I have a different energy now from when I fucking pressed record. My Instacart came. So guys, I saw this and it's Holiday Nog Almond Milk. This looks so good. I have no idea why I'm sweating right now. I feel like vacuuming is a workout. Definitely on my Christmas list is a cordless vacuum cleaner. I don't know why I don't have one. I don't even know how I got this one. I think this is low-key my family's vacuum cleaner. I don't want to like have to be near an outlet and I don't want to be tripping on the cord. Oh my God, I'm literally having a heat flash. But yeah, I want like an aesthetic, cute, wireless, skinny little vacuum cleaner. Okay, so my room organization is pretty fucking bad, but like granted, I literally just moved into this house not even a month ago. I'm trying to figure out what systems work for my life and the way I live. We've been known I have ADHD. I'm just not one of those naturally organized people. I actually have to put in like major effort to make sure I set up a space that makes sense for how fast my brain is moving. Clothing organization has always been a problem for me. I have a Jack and Jill closet situation down here attached to the master bedroom, and then upstairs I have the room closet, which is more so for filming. I have the sweats closet, which literally has my colored sweats, black sweats, tan, gray, white, and then over here behind the camera on the other side, my everyday clothing closet, which has grays, blacks, creams, whites for all my basic tops, denim, pants, coats. But I do want to reorganize this because I just want to put all my clothes in one place. I do really want to reorganize this whole closet, but I feel like it makes more sense to do that video once I reveal the closet upstairs. So I'm gonna put in a load of laundry, and then we're gonna figure out how to like organize this for the time being so I'm not living in a tornado. This thing is ugly, but she's convenient. That's all I'm gonna say. Okay, this area has become clutter central and I don't like it. However, I don't have any other furniture in this room except for this and my nightstands and my bed. You know what I'm gonna do? I watched a video on YouTube where this girl said if you do have things that you want to keep somewhere but you want it to look organized, group things in items of 3 or like set a tray and condense it. So I'm gonna go look for a tray. It's not cute, but she's gonna do. I just rather it look organized than look messy. Alright guys, my ASOS package arrived. This is not sponsored. I just feel like I love ASOS because it comes so quick and it's always good quality and they're decently priced. If I have like a specific thing in my mind that I'm looking for, ASOS really does pull through and have it. It arrived and I want to take all of these things down that I don't wear. I want to hang all the pieces that I'm going to frequently wear, and I'm gonna hang up some of my new pieces. Before we get into that, I wanna do like a little unboxing. We are waiting for another package, but I'm getting impatient, so let's unbox this ASOS package. I needed this unboxing. I needed to sit down. So the first thing I have is cropped combat boots that are also platform combat boots. I've been really wanting just like a boot that doesn't go up to my knee. I think these would look so cute paired with like a midi utility skirt, a parachute skirt. I also have been loving puffer accessories, puffer shoes. I saw these puffer boots. I've been really liking athleisure lately and skirts, and I feel like these can spruce it up. So I'm starting to be on the lookout for winter accessories. So I found this Hogwarts looking scarf. I don't know, I just feel like I wear a lot of black jackets. This is gonna go with all my jackets and all the clothes I own. I've also really been into skirts lately, but I did see this skirt and it is the perfect length. I got this dainty ballerina looking cardigan, bubble boots. I've also been seeing bubble boots. It's kind of remind me of my platform Converse, like the bottom of them. Oh my God, I've been wanting this. So I've been through men's vests. They look cute on Depop. I get them in the mail. They do not fit right. But I saw that ASOS made a vest that looks like a men's vest, but it's for women. It was in the women's section. It's like a little vest that I can layer with. We did it. This rack now has a purpose. I am getting really hungry and I do want to cook some of the groceries that I did order, so I'm gonna cook some dinner. Ugh, guys, I used to be one of those people, this sounds so toxic, but like I would reward myself with like eating. I like wouldn't let myself eat till a task was done. Now I'm realizing if I just like pause for like meal breaks. It doesn't feel as brutal. And I was just feeling like I need an energy like refuel to keep going. I made some cauliflower fried rice with chicken and I'm excited to see how it tastes because it's my first time making this. And that's really good. It doesn't even taste like cauliflower rice. I did something. I think my Be Real went off. Yep, time to be real. Alright guys, I am done for the day. I'm clocking out. I think I did everything that was on my list. I feel really good. I feel like I got a lot done. Next video is my closet reveal. It's happening, guys. So next video, definitely set your notifications, subscribe so you don't miss the closet reveal. I'm really excited about it. I love you guys so much and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.